evening, everybody.
Good evening. We are in Lakewood tonight.
Yes, we are.
Yes, and it is Chris and Scott's Colorado Adventures, the Dining Adventure Edition. And we are at Granny Scott's Pie Shop.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. Bakery and Deli.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a 5-star bakery.
Yeah. So we'll be the judge of that.
Yes, we will.
But we're excited to go check it out. Look at all the different fun pies they have. And then I think they, like you said, it's a deli, so
They do sandwiches.
the sandwiches and stuff. So we'll probably do that too. But I'm excited to check this one out.
Yeah. I'm excited too.
Let's go.
I like pie.
Well, I like pie too.
Okay, well, let's go.
Let's go.
It's super cute in here. It's really cute. Oh, this is good. Caramel apple pie. That looks delicious. Dutch apple pie. That looks tasty.
Can I get started for you?
I don't know. We're checking out our tasty treat. Let's see.
Are there certain pies you're out of?
We are trying to get it. So we've been really busy because if you walk down that hallway, there's a whole wall of pies for Saturdays.
Oh yeah.
Get ice cream as well. Alright, so we ordered a full sandwich and we're gonna split it.
At the club.
The club. It's pretty good.
Sourdough.
Alright, we'll let you know how that is. Get a cute little pie plate. Apples.
Alright, so we've got a couple of slices of pie. How was your sandwich?
That's good.
I thought it was good too. Pretty tasty, full of meat.
Yep.
It was good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yep.
Alright.
I got the caramel apple pie, which
It smells delicious.
it won first place.
Oh, there you go.
First place winner, National Pie Championships.
There you
So
go.
let's try it out.
I got the lemon meringue, and then we got caramel apple to take it home.
Got caramel on there.
Yeah.
It's tasty.
Is it?
Let me taste the crust. Good.
Was it?
It's tart, but it's got that caramel to make it a little sweet.
Yep.
It's good. Crust is good. I like it.
How's it compared to our other pies we've gotten? Like our tarts that we got at Rolling Pin.
I really like the Rolling Pin Bakery.
A little bit more.
This is good.
Yeah. But it's good. Tastes homemade, doesn't taste like...
It does.
Yeah.
And it feels like you're
This is a cute little place.
in grandma's shop.
You know, even the little plates that they put it on.
They're all like old-fashioned.
Yep, it's what you get at your grandma's if you went to visit.
Yes.
She made you pie. All right, we're gonna try the lemon meringue.
All right, let me know. It looks good. Look at all that meringue.
Oh, lots of meringue.
That's a meringue peaks. Ah, did you know that?
No. Tart.
Is it?
Yeah, it's
Good.
good. It's good. I like
Is it lemony?
It is lemony. There's
How
not
do you
a-
compare it?
Well, we had the bars.
We had a lot of stuff.
We had a lot of stuff, but
You'll see that video.
we will put it in the old link. We'll put it in the description. The bars obviously didn't have the meringue.
Yeah, they had the crust.
They had the crust, and I think the crust was a little bit better on those. First bite, there wasn't a whole lot of crust there.
Take a big.
Take another one.
It looks good.
It is really good. I think
It looks very homemade and grandma-like.
It sure does, and it
It's cute.
tastes like that.
Yeah.
It's not perfect looking like
You would get
at a chain pie store.
Yeah.
It's good. It's really good. I think I like the lemon bars a little bit more. They're a little bit
Zingy.
Yeah.
Zesty.
yeah,
Zingy.
zesty is the right word I was thinking of.
No, I think it's more of a zingy.
Zingy?
I don't know.
A little more tangy.
Tangy. That's it.
This is good, but I think the other one was like, oh my gosh, lemon. And this one's like, yeah, it's lemon and it's good. And it tastes homemade and it's very good. So I'm not trying to discount it, but.
Yeah. All right. Hello.
All right, so we're back, and ooh, look, there's a shadow of the camera.
Oh, sure
There's our
is.
camera right there.
We're in the car.
We are in the car.
They were cleaning up.
They were cleaning up, and we were like the only people left in there, so we didn't want to keep them. So came out to the car, and I thought it was very good. I thought I had the lemon meringue, and it tasted like homemade. That don't taste like Village Inn by any means.
Yeah, it tasted like my mother and my grandmother's pie. It did.
Yeah.
Totally. The crust tasted like my mom's. The lemon meringue tasted like my mom's.
Yeah.
So yes, and it's all made there.
Yeah, it's all scratched. They're doing it right there.
Yeah. Very tasty.
Yep.
They had, as you see in the video, they have a ton of different pies. They have cookies you can get, brownies. They have, what else did they have?
They had the regular pies, and then they had
cinnamon rolls
beef
and
pies or something.
Oh yeah, you could get a pot pie there.
Pot pies.
Yeah, you could
Yep.
get
Ice cream. They had local ice cream.
I think they had empanadas there too.
They did have empanadas there.
Yeah.
So
a lot of good stuff, and it's a cute little
it is.
homey. It's a fun place to come when it's cold out and it's fall and.
Yep. And it's here. We didn't really say, but it's on Wadsworth, just north, like 1 block north of Hampton.
Yeah.
On the west side, so it's
the
like
little
this little
center.
shopping center. Grandma Scott's Pie Shop.
Yep.
So really nice people, super nice. But I don't know. I guess it's like when we were at Rolling Pin, it was like, oh my gosh, get down here now.
Yeah.
This is amazing. Get down here now. And I don't know if I feel that way about this place.
No, I like it, and I think if I'm in the area and I want dessert, I would come here again.
Yeah.
I don't think I would go out of my way to come here, and I feel like they were a little pricey. Like a pie's anywhere from $20 to $24, I think.
Yeah.
That's a little pricey. I mean, the chain that you get pies at is about half of that. I mean, I'm sure they're not as
Good. You're paying for it being homemade.
Yeah.
You're paying for all of that, which there is a difference in taste. Come on.
Yeah.
But
They have a big kitchen, and you can see there's a big work area where they make all this stuff.
Absolutely. And they were a little low on pies. We came out late at night on a Friday, so that's understandable. But they still had quite a bit. I don't know. I mean, I don't know what's understandably for what's reasonable price, but the slices were what, $4.75?
Yeah, almost $5 a slice.
And they weren't huge.
Yeah.
I mean, they weren't bad. It wasn't like you were
Not that
licking the plate, but
No. Yeah, it was like you were having dessert at home.
Yeah, and it was good.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you're on the north side of town, I don't know if I'd make the trek unless you just happen to be over here in Lakewood.
Yeah, or Littleton.
Or
I mean, it's not that far from.
It's kind of in the border there.
Yeah. If I was in Littleton or Lakewood, I would definitely come out and check it out.
Yeah.
Totally worth it. The sandwiches were good. Good place to just come and have a nice little lunch or dinner. So yeah, that is our take on
Grandma Scott's.
That is our
It
Scott.
isn't. It's Granny Scott's.
That is our take on Granny
Scott's Pie Shop.
Pie Shop.
So yeah,
if you're
check
in
it
there,
out.
Check it out. But it's definitely good.
It is good.
And a very nice staff.
Yeah, they were very nice. So, all right.
Join us next time for Chris and Scott's
Colorado Adventures.
Dining Adventure.
Ooh.
We're so dumb. All right.
See you next time.
Bye.
They're great because it's, you know you're helping out independents.
Look like
This light is kind of weird in
it
here.
is weird.
So, whoa, you're getting a little close. All right.